my girl. Ndasuarudo, ndasuarudo. Baby, nino down.
There's going to be another interview to be conducted, I think at Capitalk, between that radio station and the ZEC chairperson, ZEC Commission chairperson, that is Chigumba. I thought that is important for Zimbabweans to be given the opportunity to focus on that interview and to field questions, seek clarifications in the national interest, because elections are very important for all of us. So for that reason, I don't want to distract that interview. I would kindly ask you to go ahead, proceed to focus on that interview. We're going to reschedule our own meeting. Possibly we'll do it in some day. We are going to announce maybe tomorrow or some other day, because it's important for us to always give precedence and priority to certain issues without necessarily being seen to be conflicting over those issues. But guys, I want to thank you. We are doing very well. The end is nigh. The road to victory is set. The course is clear. There's no doubt that we are going to win this election. There's no doubt that we are going to come first best. And there's no doubt that our colleague, Mr. Mnangagwa, is simply going to come second best. And this is why he's panicking and quaking. But yes, that's good music for us. He must continue panicking. We must make sure that we send him packing. It's good. It's on. The rallies in Manicaland were fantastic. The rallies in Masvingo were exceptional. You know, I want to say the whole nation is in good mood. It's excited, ecstatic, and we are moving. I'm excited. Today I had a couple of meetings, meeting with various stakeholders on our issues to do with escalating the issue of the ballot. We are also trying to make sure that we prepare for the final encounter with ZEC on this matter. So yes, all systems go. We are already mobilizing. We are going into the various communities, engaging you, engaging stakeholders, the church community, traditional leaders, workers, trade unions, teachers, nurses. Everyone has to be engaged, young people, women's groups, to make sure that we are all focused on this issue of the election. So guys, thank you very much. We are going to postpone this very important e-rally, and we will obviously give you more information. Like I said, it's gonna be every Monday between 7 and 7:30. So I didn't want to just cancel it without at least advising you. Thank you so much. May God bless you. Bye.
Yeah, yeah. Ooh, my girl. Ndasuarudo, ndasuarudo. Baby, nino down in trees, say. When I say I love you, I mean it, yeah. She said nino yeta to give you all. Asise usingatende. Baby, nino down in trees, say. When I say I love you, I mean it, yeah. She said nino yeta to give you all. Cause I just wanna love you. Ndabva kubasa waswera sei, komumwe wangu wabikane. Ndakarukutika, come give me a hand, cause naswera nchikufunga. But I don't know, tinopotsa na papi. Sometimes you call, and I don't wanna think, and sometimes you won't. And I just wanna think what makes it so cold. Baby, ndino down ndinzwisi say. When I say I love you, I mean it, yeah. Jese ndino yeta to give you all. Asise usingatende. Baby, ndino down ndinzwisi say. When I say I love you, I mean it, yeah. Jese ndino yeta to give you all. Cause I just wanna love you. Mwezi ninogona kutenga, kana bazi ndinogeza. Wanditi woda zuwa ndinokweza. But I don't see where we go wrong. Asi moyo wangu wakatora kare, pae pae.